So when attaching something to this type of wall, it's best to drill into the horizontal mortar joints. Screw will be less likely to pull out of you, so screw long enough to pass through um, the item to be mounted and extend an extra 1 into 1 by 2 into the wall. Drill the hole at least 1 by 4 inch of the hole deeper than the screw length so that any loose concrete partial will be forced into the back of the hole as you run the screw in. The type of fastener to use will also depend on that you are trying to secure to the wall. To fasten lightweight item to masonry, a variety of nails, screws, and anchors are available. Floated hardened masonry nails have are driven in by hand with a hammer. They can be difficult to get started and can bend as you drive them in. It helps to pre-drill a pilot hole slightly smaller than the nail with a masonry drill bit. Another option is a powder dry gun that shoots a cement nail, such as a powder driven stud into masonry walls. However, if you are not very experienced with the tool, you can easily overdrive the nail through the item you want to attach to the wall. Another problem is that the nails used with the gun are smooth and can pull out. The most commonly used fastener is a concrete screw, a hardened blue color fastener, probably better known by the trade name Tapcon. TM screw. To install it, drill a pilot hole into the mortar with masonry drill bit that is smaller than the screw size. For example, if you are using a 1 by 4 screw, use 1 3 by 16 masonry bit. Then drive the screw into the pilot hole with a screw gun or drill.